Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to unarchive an email in Gmail for 2025. If you've ever accidentally archived an important email and then wondered where it vanished to, don't worry. This guide will have you retrieving it in no time. Archiving in Gmail is a great way to declutter your inbox, but unarchiving is just as straightforward. Whether you're using the web version or the mobile app, I'll walk you through the steps step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up your Gmail account. Make sure you're logged in on your computer, phone, or tablet. Once you're in, head over to the left-hand side menu. You'll see a list of labels like Inbox, Sent, and Spam. Scroll down until you find All Mail. This is where all your emails, including the archived ones, are stored. Click on it to open that view. Now, if you know the subject or sender of the email you're looking for, use the search bar at the top. Type in keywords like the sender's name or a phrase from the email, and hit enter. Archived emails won't show up in your main inbox, so this is your best bet. Once you spot the email in the results, open it up or select it directly. To unarchive it, look for the Move To option. On the web version, you'll see a folder icon with a drop-down menu. Select Inbox from there. If you're on the mobile app, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the email, then choose Move to Inbox. Boom! Your email should reappear in your inbox almost instantly. One quick tip. If you archive emails by mistake often, consider using Gmail's undo feature right after archiving. It's a lifesaver. And remember, Gmail updates can slightly change interfaces, but these steps should work for 2025. There you have it, unarchiving made simple. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.